everybody. So I made the video about how to use how I use the computer and the adaptations I've made for that. But then the question was posed, what about, well, there was a comment on LinkedIn about apps, about how apps need to be developed for, the thought process needs to be there for differently abled individuals. So I don't often carry my phone, which is my primary videoing device. I have a GoPro. I tried to hook it up, but I couldn't figure that out. Today, it's for another day. So I tried to, so I carry my phone in belt pouch here, or some of my pants have a pocket that I've sewn in here, or my mother-in-law has sewn in there. Because, you know, the belt or the back pocket just hurts the body. So here's my phone. So first off, I've made some adaptations. My last phone died a horrible death. I body slammed it into the earth and dislodged the battery into everything else. So I made these corners because they didn't have a proper case for this phone when I got it, and I never could find one that was any better than this little silicone condom that came with it. So I printed these corners here. There's an Instructables. I will put it in the links below about how to make corners for your phone, or design corners for your specific phone. But I also made this big loop here, so, oh, hang on, because when I'm doing stuff, I often can't. You know, I gotta use my hand, so I can't hold a phone. So I gotta find ways to do things. So if you ever see videos that I put out that are shot vertically, this is why. Because I can stick it in, you know, jacket pocket and video, just like that. It's right there. You know, it's not accurate, and it's sort of, you know, you get the Batman or action movie video effect, which, yeah, I think is terrible. Batman, clean yourself up. So there's that. These corners have helped. They've saved my phone. I've dropped it off of, I don't know, 2 meters on the cement. It's fine. You know, the corners break, the phone's fine. Okay, so let's see. How can I do this? Adjust my pillow. Pillows are good. All right. Let's see. You don't need to see my password and that junk. All right. So, let's see, anything important in there? No. You might notice that my apps are all arranged in an arc, so that my thumb can follow this arc across the screen and provides pretty easy access to all of them. Let's see. Oh, the camera. This is one that really annoys me because one of the updates disabled it. So there used to be a zoom feature across the bottom here, like a little bar that you could just slide and zoom. So I don't zoom anymore. So that's a function that I've lost, because now you have to is that gonna work? Now you have to 2-finger it to zoom, which is very difficult when you're trying to film things. Wait, I must hit the button. But yeah, the zoom function is lost. I'm using a Samsung Galaxy. I forget which one. It's a few generations old by now. Okay, so that's that. Oh, and I also liked that the last version, I could also move the take a picture button to somewhere more convenient, because right there it works, but it could be better. Alright, now let's find something to type with. Calculator? No. Google. That's fairly fine. Looking for a new pair of boots. Here, let's start a fresh thing. Hit the search. There we go. Alright, so the keyboard there is tricky. So this bottom corner here is hard to reach. Now this is all backwards. I'm using my laptop because, yeah, I can look and see what's happening. It's hard to reach. So, you know, I could type all day long over here and sort of in an arc. I'm just pressing buttons here. Over here, this is a bit of a stretch way over here, but doable. But down here is, I mean, doable again. But if the keyboard was sort of set at a diagonal across here, now that would be pretty sweet. Now when we turn it this way, forget it. I like the big buttons. Well, actually those buttons didn't get any bigger, did they? Because I'm almost always hitting the button next to the one I want. But now, you know, the button is clear across the screen. And, you know, I'm still got to hold it like this. So I can't type at all. I can hit this half of the button over the keyboard this way. Now if I could shift it over this way, that could be a little easier. I think there is a function to do that. Nope. But I can never find it when I need it. So I don't type this way at all. Alright, let's see. Anything else with the phone that I do a little differently? No. I lay the apps out in an arc that's easy to reach. Keyboard's a little tricky. Yeah, the buttons need to be bigger. That would be nice. I think that's about it. So, yeah, that's how I use my phone. I'm in my basement. It's quite cold. The temperature on my 3D printer the other day said 8. Let's see, let's double it and add 30. It's 16 plus 30 is 45 degrees-ish. Yeah, it's cold. Our basement's not serviced. Okay, why am I complaining to you all about that? I'll cut this out. Alright, well, keep adapting, keep making, keep repairing. It's your right. Talk to y'all later.